Walk into almost any kitchen in the world, and you'll probably find an onion. It may not look impressive. It might even make your eyes water. But for thousands of years, onions have been one of the most widely used vegetables in traditional cooking, adding flavor to soups, salads, curries, sandwiches, stir-fries, and countless family recipes. Yet many people don't realize that this humble vegetable contains a surprising collection of vitamins, minerals, fiber, antioxidants, and unique sulfur compounds that scientists continue to study for their role in human health. But what would happen if someone over the age of 50 started eating onions regularly? Could this everyday vegetable support heart health? Could it help maintain healthy digestion? Could it play a role in supporting healthy blood sugar levels? Could it encourage stronger bones and a healthier immune system? And why do nutrition experts often recommend eating a variety of colorful vegetables, including onions, as part of a healthy aging diet? Today, we're counting down 12 surprising things that may happen when onions become a regular part of your meals. Along the way, we'll separate myths from facts, share a simple onion juice recipe, and discover why this inexpensive kitchen staple deserves more respect than it often receives. Before we begin, remember that no single vegetable can cure disease or stop aging. Good health usually comes from many small habits practiced consistently over time. And one onion may be one of those simple habits worth considering. Number 12. Your meals become more flavorful. One of the simplest benefits of onions has nothing to do with vitamins. They make healthy food taste better. Many adults try to reduce their intake of excessive salt, sugar, and highly processed sauces. Fresh onions add natural sweetness and depth of flavor to salads, soups, grilled vegetables, fish, chicken, and homemade dishes. When healthy food tastes delicious, people are often more likely to cook at home and stick with nutritious eating habits. Sometimes the greatest benefit of a healthy ingredient is simply making healthy meals more enjoyable. But onions offer far more than flavor. Number 11. Your body receives natural antioxidants. Onions contain natural plant compounds, including quercetin and other flavonoids, which scientists continue to study for their role in protecting cells from everyday oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is a normal process that occurs during metabolism and exposure to the environment. A diet rich in colorful fruits and vegetables provides a wide range of antioxidants that help support the body's natural defense systems. Red onions are particularly rich in certain antioxidant compounds, making them an excellent addition to a balanced diet. But one of the most talked about benefits of onions involves the heart. Number 10. They may support heart health. Heart health becomes increasingly important after the age of 50. Researchers have investigated the sulfur-containing compounds and flavonoids found in onions for their potential role in supporting healthy circulation. Quercetin may help support healthy blood flow, while sulfur compounds are being studied for their effects on platelet activity and cardiovascular wellness. Combined with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and healthy lifestyle habits, onions can become one part of a heart-friendly eating pattern. However, onions should never replace medications or treatments recommended by your healthcare professional. And the next benefit may surprise many people. Number 9. They may support healthy immunity. Onions provide vitamin C, an important nutrient involved in immune function and collagen production. They also contain natural plant compounds with antibacterial properties that researchers continue to study. A balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables helps provide the nutrients needed for normal immune function. Fresh onions added to soups, salads, and home-cooked meals can contribute to this healthy pattern. But perhaps one of the biggest reasons nutrition experts appreciate onions has to do with the digestive system. Number 8. Your gut may appreciate the extra fiber. Onions contain prebiotic fibers such as inulin and fructans. Unlike ordinary fiber, prebiotics help feed beneficial bacteria living in the digestive tract. A healthy gut microbiome plays an important role in digestion and overall wellness. Eating a variety of fiber-rich plant foods helps maintain this healthy balance. And scientists continue to discover fascinating connections between gut health and many other aspects of the body. But the next benefit is especially interesting for adults concerned about healthy aging. Number 7. They may help support healthy blood sugar. As we get older, maintaining healthy blood sugar levels becomes increasingly important. Scientists have been studying the sulfur compounds and flavonoids found in onions for their potential role in glucose metabolism. Some research suggests these natural compounds may help support healthy insulin sensitivity as part of a balanced diet. However, it's important to understand that onions are not a treatment for diabetes and should never replace medications or medical advice. Instead, onions can become one nutritious ingredient in a healthy eating pattern that includes vegetables, fruits, whole grains, lean proteins, and regular physical activity. Small healthy choices often work better together than relying on one so-called superfood. But the next benefit may be especially welcome for older adults. Number 6. They may help support strong bones. Bone health naturally becomes a greater concern after the age of 50. As we age, maintaining bone density becomes important for staying active and independent. Interestingly, several studies have suggested that regular onion consumption may be associated with improved bone health and reduced bone loss, particularly in older adults. Scientists believe that certain plant compounds found in onions may contribute to these effects, although research is still ongoing. Of course, healthy bones depend on many factors including calcium, vitamin D, physical activity, and overall nutrition. But adding onions to a balanced diet is one simple step that may contribute to lifelong bone health. And now we come to one of the most discussed topics surrounding onions. Number 5. They may help protect your cells. Every day, our bodies experience oxidative stress from normal metabolism and environmental exposures. Onions contain antioxidants and organosulfur compounds that researchers continue to investigate for their potential protective effects. Some observational studies suggest that diets rich in vegetables from the onion and garlic family are associated with a lower risk of certain health conditions, including some digestive tract cancers. Scientists believe these beneficial compounds may help protect cells from oxidative stress and DNA damage. However, no single food can prevent cancer, and onions should simply be viewed as one healthy part of a varied and balanced diet. Perhaps the next benefit is one many people notice much sooner. Number 4. Healthy home cooking becomes easier. Think about many of your favorite homemade meals.
Soup, stew,
Salad,
rice, beans,
chicken,
fish.
vegetables stir-fry. There's a good chance onions are one of the first ingredients added. Fresh onions create flavor naturally, making healthy meals more satisfying without relying on excessive salt or highly processed seasonings. People who cook at home often eat more vegetables and fewer processed foods. One simple onion can become the starting point for dozens of nutritious meals. Sometimes the greatest benefit of a healthy food isn't one nutrient. It's the healthier habits it encourages. But the next benefit may be the one your digestive system appreciates the most. Number 3. Your digestion may benefit. Healthy digestion depends on many daily habits working together. Drinking enough water, eating enough fiber, staying physically active, managing stress, and consuming a variety of plant foods. Onions contribute prebiotic fibers that feed beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy gut microbiome helps support normal digestion and overall wellness. Adding onions to salads, soups, beans, vegetables, and other home-cooked dishes can be a delicious way to increase dietary variety. Scientists continue to discover fascinating connections between gut health and many aspects of healthy aging. And now we've reached one of the most practical benefits of all. Number 2. They add nutrition without many calories. Onions provide flavor, vitamins, minerals, fiber, and beneficial plant compounds while remaining relatively low in calories. This makes them an easy addition to balanced meals. A sliced onion can transform a simple salad. A diced onion can make homemade soup more satisfying. Grilled onions can add sweetness to vegetables and lean proteins. Small improvements like these make healthy eating easier to maintain over the long term. And now we've reached perhaps the greatest benefit of all. Number 1. They may help build better, everyday habits. Perhaps the biggest advantage of onions has nothing to do with one specific nutrient. Buying onions often means buying fresh vegetables, preparing homemade meals, making soups, cooking healthy dinners, creating fresh salads, spending less time relying on heavily processed convenience foods. Healthy aging rarely depends on one miracle ingredient. More often, It comes from many small habits repeated consistently over time. One onion may not change your life overnight, but one healthy habit can lead to another, and another, and another. Before we finish, let's make one simple homemade recipe that many people enjoy. A simple onion juice recipe. By now, you may be wondering whether there's an easy way to enjoy onions besides adding them to your favorite meals. One popular home remedy is simple onion juice. While onion juice is not a miracle drink and should never replace medical treatment, it can be a refreshing way to include onions as part of a balanced diet. Here's an easy recipe you can make at home. Take one medium fresh onion and peel away the outer skin. Cut the onion into small pieces and place them into a blender. Add about half a cup of fresh water. Blend until smooth. If you prefer a lighter texture, strain the mixture through a fine sieve. Squeeze in the juice of half a fresh lemon for extra flavor. You may also add 1 teaspoon of honey if you enjoy a sweeter taste. Serve fresh. Some people like to combine onion juice with apple, carrot, or cucumber juice to create a milder and more refreshing drink. Remember, onion juice is simply a homemade beverage and should be enjoyed as part of a healthy lifestyle rather than as a treatment for any medical condition. An important reality check. Before we finish, let's separate fact from fiction. Onions are healthy, but they are not magic. They cannot cure diabetes. They cannot remove cholesterol overnight. They cannot prevent heart attacks. They cannot eliminate cancer risk. They cannot replace prescribed medications. And they certainly cannot undo years of unhealthy habits overnight. The real secret to healthy aging isn't one vegetable. It's the combination of many healthy choices working together. Eating plenty of fruits and vegetables. Choosing whole foods more often. Cooking at home. Staying physically active. Drinking enough water. Getting quality sleep. Managing stress. Maintaining healthy relationships. And attending regular medical checkups. Onions can become one valuable part of that bigger picture. So, what happens when you eat onions regularly after the age of 50? You add antioxidants and beneficial plant compounds to your diet. You may support heart health as part of a balanced eating pattern. You provide your body with vitamin C and nutrients that contribute to normal immune function. You feed beneficial gut bacteria with natural prebiotic fibers. You may help support healthy blood sugar and bone health through a nutritious dietary pattern. You make home-cooked meals more flavorful without relying on excessive salt or highly processed ingredients. And perhaps most importantly, you build healthier daily habits that may contribute to long-term wellness. Sometimes healthy aging isn't about expensive supplements or complicated diets. Sometimes it's about simple ingredients that have been part of family kitchens for generations. A humble onion may not seem extraordinary, but healthy habits rarely begin with extraordinary choices. They begin with simple decisions repeated day after day. Perhaps the biggest lesson from today's video isn't really about onions at all. It's about appreciating the power of ordinary foods. Many people spend a fortune searching for miracle products and trendy superfoods, hoping for a quick solution to better health. But healthy aging usually comes from simple, consistent habits. Cooking more meals at home. Eating a colorful variety of fruits and vegetables. Adding fresh ingredients to everyday recipes. Sharing healthy meals with family and friends. Making small improvements that fit naturally into daily life. Onions won't stop aging. They won't cure disease, but they can add flavor, nutrition, and enjoyment to wholesome home-cooked meals. Sometimes the most valuable ingredients in a healthy lifestyle are the ones quietly waiting in your own kitchen. If you found today's video helpful, we'd love to hear from you. How do you enjoy onions? Raw in salads? Grilled? Caramelized? In soups and curries? Or do you have a special family recipe passed down through generations? Share your favorite ideas in the comments because your recipe might inspire someone else's healthy meal. If you enjoy home cooking and home remedies, practical nutrition, and science-based healthy aging tips, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a future episode. Until next time, enjoy fresh food, cook more at home, stay active, and remember that small healthy habits practiced consistently may make a meaningful difference for years to come.